I'm Dr. Tyagarajan. I'm one of the pediatricians in Apollo Vanagaram. I've trained in UK. I currently work in Apollo Vanagaram. I have interest in treating newborn babies, especially premature babies and children with respiratory problems. Today I'm going to talk about a common theme, which is wheezing. Parents come to us with a lot of questions because a child has been found to have a wheeze. There is lots of preconceived notion and prejudice in the society about wheeze, saying it could be a harmful thing. I'm here to talk about that. My one single liner as a take-home message is, all wheezers are not asthmatics. So what do we do when a child wheezes is, we see the child and find out what is the trigger for it and educate the parents about why this happens. What is wheezing? Wheezing is nothing but a noisy breathing. It's a musical sound actually. So it doesn't say much more than that noise is present in the chest, but why is it happening? So it's for a physician to find out why it happens. So when a child is brought to us with a wheeze by the parents, we go through the list of trigger factors and then we talk to the parents why it happens. I generally tell them we all have tubes in our chest, and as adults we have bigger caliber tubes, and so the noise is less, or it doesn't make noise when we are unwell. But when children, for example, children below 6 years have a condition, they are more prone to get this noisy breathing, which we call it as wheeze. So what to do about it? We educate them and then we tell them what are the options present, like oral medication, inhaler and nebulizers, and which will suit this child. Most of them, 99.9% of them will outgrow this, and by around 7-8 years it's not present anymore. And so you don't have to panic as a parent that wheeze is a wrong thing. So that's my message for today. And what else do we do is we give a informed leaflets about what happens when a child has wheeze, so that you know what to do in the middle of a night or an attack happens in the school, how to manage it, so it becomes easy for you and you can make it less panicky and less troublesome, and your life can be more manageable. So I hope I have given a broad outlook of what is wheeze, it's a nice, and what do we do about it, and possible measures to educate the parents. Thank you.